We're gonna actually install the Extreme Online side skirts. These are full carbon fiber. Right now I'm at the Stalker building because I needed the extra room to lift the car up and install these long side skirts because they're pretty long. So here's a more closer look on these side skirts. So it looks like it's coming with the side skirts and this like rear part right here. Originally I thought these small ones were gonna be for this back ones, but I'm wrong. I guess they're gonna go up front, in front of the rear tire. They're gonna go like right here. It's gonna be pretty cool because now I'm gonna have full carbon fiber from the side skirts back. Up here is where we're gonna have the lip, and then it's gonna come out right here with the little side piece. Comes with all the hardware as well, which is really cool about this company is that they supply you with all the hardware needed. This is their rear spoiler, and this is their side skirts. Super light, honestly. I can literally pick this up with like a finger. It's so windy right now that it's trying to move because that's how light it is. A lot of these videos I do, I'm not gonna go into step-by-step on how to install the stuff. I'm just pretty much showing you the before and after. It's very simple how to install some side skirts. All you're gonna wanna do, unfortunately the lift is not up right now, so what I'm gonna do is just, I'm gonna jack it up, and hopefully I have enough room to put my hand underneath and start drilling the hardware, because if not, I might have to put the jack in the rear, lift up the back, do the back half, and then lift up the front and then do the front half. But I'm hoping I don't got to do that, so I'm hoping maybe I can just do this. If there is a screw that goes in between that, maybe I'll skip that screw and then just install these, install this, and install that back. So all right, let's get to jacking. But first things first, guys, go ahead and wipe underneath because they do supply with some kind of 3M tape. What I noticed, it's probably going to be easier to install this piece first. So what I did is I just put a little bit of 3M because this piece, there's a screw that's supposed to be right there that I just took out because this piece kind of like hugs right here. I feel like if I did this first, I can install the side skirt onto this piece. That way I already know where the side skirt has to align, so that way I can start screwing it from the back forward instead of going from the forward back. It's exactly what I wanted to do. Like even with that one screw and just that little bit of 3M tape, it's pretty much on there. Like I don't see this going anywhere, but I am definitely gonna put on some screws here just because I still don't want this flying off. Now with these bolts and nuts, we're gonna go ahead and attach the back piece, which are these two right here, to that. And that way I can align everything across. Well, looks like I did have to take the rear tire out, unfortunately. No biggie. It's actually kind of a good thing that you want to take it off, because to get all these screws on there, you definitely need access for something like this. You know, you want to make sure you have enough room to drill it in straight. Now I'm not worried anymore. Now these two are connected to this, and it's not even installed yet, and look, it's already looked like it's lining up on its own. So I think what I'm going to do next, so I don't lose that red tape, is I'm just going to peel it now. Peel it all off and then start drilling it from the back forward, and then the next clip should be already done. Well, there we have it. We got one side done. It looks really good, but with the front lip, the side skirts, and the wing, I definitely need some wheels. I mean, look at that gap. That's ugly. I think after this, we for sure got to put some wheels on it because it's already looking right. It just needs the correct fitment and the correct wheels, because yeah. But nonetheless, looks great. Install was very simple. Honestly, the best thing to do is just lift the back, take the rear tire out, install the little piece first, then from there work your way forward. Take the jack out, jack up the front to install just these two bolts up here, and then you're pretty much done. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna reverse the car, turn that around so we can do the other side. But this is how the side with the side skirt looks like, and then this is the side without the side skirt. I don't know if you can kind of even tell, but it does make a difference. Like this looks like it's going off-roading. It just flows so good with that side skirt. So definitely need some wheels though. All right, let's flip it around. Let's install the other side. That way we can get some shots of it, and that way I can give you guys my honest feedback. All right, we're pretty much done, but there's a lot of screws left over. But I always keep screws because you never know when you're gonna need a certain screw, and for some reason I always find them in my pile of screws and nuts and bolts, because you just never know when you're gonna need a specific one. But shout out to Juan. In my last episode, told me, hey man, you might need these. So shout out to Juan for buying me this. So I'm gonna put these screws in here so I don't lose them. So pretty cool. Thank you, Juan, for buying me this. I feel like I will be needing these really soon. But let's check out the vet. Damn, son. It looks clean with the side skirts. Definitely gonna clean that piece because it looks really bad, and probably gonna clean the back one, but mainly the front one, because right away up front you can tell how dirty it is. What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts? Do you like it?
Yeah, definitely need some wheels ASAP though.
Oh yeah, it looks, you can't tell in the camera, but it almost looks like it's going off-roading. Big old gap right there. and then a big old gap in the back. Definitely gonna go one size bigger on each side. So right now it's 18, 19s. I'm gonna go 19s, 20s. Maybe add a spacer just to stick it out a little bit. That is an Adams black piece. So supposedly he says it can come off, but I doubt it. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, no, I went back. But I did clean it a little bit.
It's not gonna restore it all the way, but
I think it's better if I take it off and just spray paint it.
what you can do, you can get it's literally called. I'll bring it. I have it at my house. It's literally a black paint.
Yeah, it definitely looks different. Oh yeah, this shit looks like it's burnt. Stay tuned for next week's video because the rotors are squeaking like crazy, and I already have the rotors and the brake pads at the house. I was gonna do them today, but it was just way too hot. I might not even do it next weekend because it's gonna be like 100 degrees. So maybe next weekend I don't know. We'll see what we do. So stay tuned for next week's video.